My blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xzendo. So back with another reaction, man. Today we're here with our daily dose of internet, and this is called "This CEO Sounds Like a Man."
Damn.
Now, what the fuck are y'all feeding these people?
These animals. Mimicking our voices or what?
Oh, that's crazy. Alright, well, if you guys enjoy, always drop a like, subscribe, comment down below, then on what you guys want to strike to next. And without further ado, let's get right into it.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Why does the seal sound like a full-grown man trying to speak for the very first time?
The fuck?
Allow me.
Bro, what the fuck? Oh no.
Man is a beer.
Excuse me, miss, do you by any chance work at a library? That's so crazy, because just like a book, I'm checking you out.
Oh my god. Dude,
Yeah, but that's a phone.
friend in the back was already going crazy, like.
I'm checking you
No,
out.
no, no.
This is exactly
Why they
why
pull out their
cowboys
phone?
need to wear gloves.
Well, you knew it was close.
Oh, fuck yeah,
I seen a
bro.
man chop their finger, bro.
This museum has a screener to see if you'd be able to vote in the United States back in 1870.
Wait, hold on. What?
This guy secretly took a picture of a cashier, put him on
Oh,
a
I seen
t-shirt,
this.
and pretended that he was someone famous.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Wow, okay.
It's you?
That would be me. That's fucking hilarious. Where'd you get that?
You're the Monday guy.
I'm the Monday guy.
Do you have a marker?
I do.
I'm the
Please sign
Monday
it.
guy. Ah, that's funny as fuck. Ah,
I mean,
there's
now
no
he's
fucking
famous.
way, dude. Oh, he took that role too, bro. Like,
You're the Monday guy.
I'm the Monday guy.
Do you have a marker?
I do.
Please sign it.
Pretty
that's
wonder what
funny,
you
bro.
The
That's
squirrel
funny
ate
as
some
fuck.
fermented
Ah.
fruit and was a little tipsy as a result.
Hammer, look how close I am. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
You've had enough, sir. You've had
Nah,
enough.
he's fiending, bro. Wait, I didn't know that shit. Like,
hell no.
you're killing it.
This fan predicted that the ball would come straight to him.
I want to catch this man.
These people threw some money into a wishing well.
What'd you wish for? What do you feel like I wished for?
Oh my god. Oh no.
Oh,
Oh my
This is not an
god.
attempt, as this is a professional.
What the fuck?
fuck that. I'm not doing that
Dude,
shit, bro.
that's crazy as fuck, dude.
You just see the drones.
I wish I could
shadow
do some shit
following
like
him.
that. I could probably do some shit like that, but I just
That
gotta
is
break
the
a
end of
couple
this
legs,
video,
you know?
or we hope you enjoyed,
Damn,
and I'll see you guys again very
my
soon.
waves.
Later.
Damn, later, man. Have a good one. You know what I'm saying? But that's gonna be the end of that. What y'all thought about that? Let us know down below. If y'all did enjoy, as always, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.